my birthday. It's my birthday. Hope I don't get copyrighted. Hello from the other side. As I am in the United States, and it is my birthday today, I think there's only one thing we have got to do, and that is to go and eat some American food. I am being taken to Cheesecake Factory. Well, we're hoping to go to Cheesecake Factory, and that is because you cannot book Cheesecake Factory for some odd reason. Even though I have been in the States a few times now, I still have never been to Cheesecake Factory. I've been wanting to go for so long, and as it's my 26th birthday, no better time than to do it today. Can you tell I'm excited? Yeah, I think you can. Also, let me show you my birthday outfit. I wore this dress in St. Lucia, but shh, don't tell anybody. Probably shouldn't have picked anything that was too tight, but I think this will stretch, so. Because I'm gonna eat some food today. I'm telling you that. Is it weird having me in your, like, home neighborhood?
It's weird, but it's cool. I like it.
So where are we going today? Where are you taking me?
We're going to Cheesecake Factory for your birthday.
Uh-huh. Thank you. I wasn't expecting it to be this big in here. It's literally like, what are you expecting now? That? No, I was not. We have to wait 2 to 3 hours, so come here early. I thought we were gonna wait, but not that long. But anyway, luckily we're in a mall, so we can go shopping. It is currently, what, 3 hours later? And we've just been sitting in the car listening to Swedish House Mafia and like old school tunes. We don't know if we can wait any longer, but we're waiting. Come on, we can do this.
I hope so.
I want to go to Cheesecake Factory. This is pissing me off though. Got a table, huh?
Finally.
So how many hours was it? 3 and 3 hours 10, I would say maybe. It was a little extra. We got there in the end. I am gonna have a look through the menu and see what we want to eat, but I need a drink. It's past 6 and I still haven't had a drink on my birthday. That actually should be a crime, so let's sort that out. I think this is like amazing. They have healthy cocktails. Well, healthier cocktails. I got myself one of this. 100%.
There's so many things. How do I pick?
There's so many things. Like, I've never seen so much, like, many options. It's a book. Literally. Shakespeare, your heart out. Jesus Christ. So he's thinking mac and cheeseburger. I'm thinking the bang bang chicken and shrimp. Oh, the Long Island tea taste. I should have mixed that. It's very good, but very strong, which is what I like. This is good. Johnny got a pineapple Moscow mule. Okay, let's taste it. That is so good. We're only on the bread stage, and this is freaking amazing. I don't know what's different about this bread, but it's sweet. It's a little bit salty from the butter. It almost tastes like there's raisins in it, but it's not like raisiny. Does that make any sense? Probably not, but this is so good. First of all, look how big this is. It's huge. So this is my hand. Johnny got his mac and cheeseburger. So let's tackle this monstrosity, but it smells absolutely amazing, I've got to say. So we got some rice and bang bang shrimp. Oh, big bite. I'm keen to see what yours tastes like because that looks amazing.
Let's find out.
Put everything on top. Dress that burger up nicely. That is a hefty burger.
Don't know how this is going to be possible.
Whoa! Oh yeah, look at the drips. Good. So wait, is the mac and cheese inside the burger?
It's big, but it's good.
I'm not gonna lie. It kind of looks like a food challenge, it's so big. I need to have a little bite. Johnny's if he lets me. Oh. My jaw like dislocated. Starting to see why we waited 3 and a bit hours. I only managed this much, but there's a reason why. I want room for the cheesecake because obviously we're at the Cheesecake Factory. I mean, I actually thought they only sold cheesecakes before I actually came here. Verdict on your burger?
Good, but humongous.
Yeah, it's so big. This looks so good. Look at the colours of that thing. Johnny got a red velvet cake over here. I mean, again, that layer of icing. I've got to get all of them layers.
Right, how those cheesecakes come out?
Amazing. They're so good. Customer service again. 10 out of 10 in America, I must say. Got another Long Island. Here we go. Tasty.
Really good.
So, was it worth it? 3 hours and a bit wait?
Controversial opinion? Not really, but the food still is good though.
As a foreigner, with a whole load of leftovers, I think it was worth it. Everything we ate was very, very good. Like even the bread, as I kept saying. I guess it's a personal opinion. If you want to wait that long, you might not have to do that. I think it was just because we're in COVID times at the moment. It was good food. I can't deny that. So the rest of my birthday, I think we're going to go to a bar, hopefully. Oh my God, look at this car. Awesome. I really like that. I mean, I wouldn't have it, but it's a cool art exhibit kind of thing, you know? Also, a sunset is sexy.
We got the extra big glass.
Oh yeah. Cheers to the one big 2-6. I've been sipping on this for the last 20 minutes because it's so strong. The alcohol here is very potent.